Hi, we are Group 2, and this is our group semester project for our Cultural Diversity class. My name is Bailey, and this presentation has been done by Carla, Jennifer, and Sonja. The scenario we wish to present will focus on stereotypes and biases made based on where students are from. Stereotypes. Stereotypes, as defined by Webster's dictionary, states that it is a widely held but fixed and oversimplified image or idea of a particular type of person or thing. Our scenario takes place in a fifth grade classroom of 23 children. This year, 2 foreign exchange students have joined the class. One is from Chile and the other is from Mexico. It is the beginning of the school year, and the students have been placed into groups of 4 with one group of 3 to create a presentation about things each student in the group has in common. Coincidentally, both foreign exchange students have been placed in the only group of 3 with one other North American student. The purpose of this assignment is to help the children make new friends, find commonalities with other students, and practice presenting in a comfortable environment to prepare them for more challenging presentations later on.
Students will be given 20 minutes of class time for the next 3 days after lunch to brainstorm and create their presentations. One of the groups will be selected at random to present the next week on Friday and every following week. The student selected to present that week will be told 1 day in advance and will be given 10 minutes to meet one final time to ensure all is ready to go for their presentations the next day. In their presentations, each student will present one commonality of the group and present one situation where it would be useful to find a commonality with someone else. Example, student 1 could say, "We all like to play soccer." The student could then present a picture of a soccer ball, a picture of them all playing soccer together, or a soccer ball. The student might then explain that it would be useful on a soccer team to find a commonality with another player in order to trust one another and play in unity. Then student 2 may say, "We all like apple pie," and so on in the same fashion until all 3 or 4 students have presented. A problem that could arise, especially in the group of 3, would be finding a commonality with all the misconceptions and stereotypes that would pre-exist in each student's mind. The North American student could assume that the Chilean and Mexican have a lot in common because they both speak Spanish. The Chilean student could assume that the student from Mexico likes tacos or wears sombreros. The student from Mexico could assume that the American student only eats pizza and hamburgers, when in reality, the Chilean eats more pizza than the North American student. The student from Mexico could also stereotype that all Chileans drink mate, or the student from North America might think all Cuban natives go to the beach regularly. Simply sorting through all of the misconceptions of different cultures and people who live in different places may take up all of the time and make it difficult to actually choose any commonalities to present.
Consequences of this might be that they focus on differences rather than commonalities. One of the students could take offense at the stereotypes presented by the other. They might not be able to compromise and therefore lose time and fall behind the other students. They may also not be prepared when they are called on to present. Tensions may rise, or 2 students may unite and leave the other student helpless and excluded. Conflict between group members may affect later groups and lesson plans created by the teacher. As the teacher walks around, she is pleased to find many groups making a list of things they have in common. When she walks by the group of 3, she sees that little progress has been made. In the course of the week, she may have to address some issues to help students understand each other better, such as accepting everyone as a person even though everyone is different, reaching out to those who feel alone or bullied, finding commonalities, and reiterate the importance of finding commonalities, and 4, identifying the destructive power of stereotypes. In our next video, we will discuss how the teacher may respond to the situation as she observes it, as well as how she incorporates the same principles into activities throughout the year. We'll also explain how to correct diverse stereotype situations like this one, and how to teach them to be more accepting of differences as adults. Thanks for watching.